Dorothy Janes from East Gull Lake is turning 100 on February 12th. Photos show young Dorothy Janes and her twin brother Tom. They don't provide a glimmer of what the young woman will become: a champion of social justice, a tireless volunteer, a mother of 5, a good friend, and now as Dorothy nears the century mark, what may stand out most about a life well lived is an inexhaustible capacity to help others. She said, "I think it's very important to be interested in politics, to vote every time, and keep up with the daily news. And friendships are very important. I just have younger friends now." Born in 1913, she came from an era before women were even allowed to vote, much less participate in the process. Dorothy Jane still lives independently in the home that she has called home since 1978. Her dog, cat, wonderful next-door neighbors, support of her family, and home instead services have all helped her stay in the home that she's loved. Dorothy also had a motto that she passed on to her children, and it was a refrain they heard wherever they went: leave life, leave it, leave things a little better than you found it.